I hear the train a-comin'. It's rollin' around the bend.
Hey Shay, it seems like you lost some weight.
Ah, yeah. I started working out and I began to lose.
That's great. So your size must be 28, 29? Hey guys, come on, stop it. We have a lot to do, so let's go. Ooh, loser!
Okay, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am!
So let me introduce myself first, even though some of you is already know me. My name is Jenny Maria Pulila, the subject teacher in Dayas, and also your advisor. Discipline and Hegelian and applied social science. So we have idea about the differences between Dayas and DISS. I know you already studied DISS when you were in grade 11. It is impossible that you don't know this. Yes, Mr. Nagisa, know this.
DISS, ma'am, doesn't have an A and the Dayas has one.
I know, Mr. Nagisa, you're not part from... Yes, Shay, you're raising your hand. DISS is about social science that seeks to understand human behavior and development through, while DIS is applied science focusing on solving problems and developing systems. Okay, very good. Attention seeker and spectrum.
Sorry, bro.
Hey! What do you need?
Ayumi Eros, the professor has brilliant for you. He has something for you to do.
What does the professor want us to do then?
Don't know. Just go to her and ask you.
Okay. Hello? Is anyone there? Naomi! Eros! Are you still there? Please open the door!
I thought you needed us. We heard you called us.
Shut up. I didn't say anything.
Jay! Oh my God, are you okay? What happened to you? I was about to leave the computer, but I couldn't open the door. I was stuck inside for a few minutes. Then someone opened the door. I was going to take them, but the next, the 5 boys who bullied me. And then we were making fun. I'm sorry, Shane, for leaving here earlier. They thought that the professor called for us when we left right away. It's okay. It's not a big deal. Wait for a minute.
I'll pick you up later, okay?
What is your title?
Shane, I have to go now. I'm meeting up with my friends.
Okay, bye.
Congrats, bro. Hey, Dean. Let's hide it.
The deal is deal. Yuri, after this, you break up with Shake. That's the end of our agreement.
Of course, bro. I'm just using her because of money.
Beth? What Beth they are talking about? Shoot.
Shane, what are you doing here?
Damn, Yuri! Just tell me the truth!
Bro, looks like you heard us. You don't have worry about your breakup.
Yes, Shane. Everything you heard is true. I just wish you for money.
Who would ever go for someone like you, Shake the loser?
Jane, I'm sorry, but I really can't stand what they're doing to you anymore. So I've decided to ask your parents' contact number and I called them everything that happened to you.
Good morning, sir. They are here.
Ulit. Celebrate pa. Please come in. So, what really happened?
I'm experiencing bullying since
Oh, good morning, Mrs. President. Is there any problem?
Yes, and it's not just any ordinary problem because my daughter's involved in this issue.
Mom, what are you doing here?
Just wait for us a minute. My husband is on the way and we will talk about this issue when he is already here.
Oh man, this is way worse than I thought. We're in big trouble.
This is your fault, Yuri.
You should have said something.
Okay, Yuri, David, Andrew, James, and Kim. Shane and also her friend says that you bullied her. So, what really happened?
I've been bullied in school for a long time, and they are old enough. I experienced how painful it is to be mocked by me, to be laughed at while food is thrown at my feet, and locked in the bathroom while kissing the boy in front of me.
What? That's not true. You're lying.
Yeah, just teasing. Maybe Shane's a bit sensitive.
We were just having fun. Didn't think it was a big deal, bro.
That's not true. It wasn't just teasing.
I want to be fair. I need to know what really happened.
Your teasing was me. You left her out and you even threw food at my daughter. That's what all you called having a fun?
We have a proof. Don't you ever try to fool us, dude.
This shows you bullied Shane. And what you said isn't true. Then how? How the videos isn't true?
How could you all do this to my daughter?
Okay, each one of you will say sorry to Shane. And Shane, you don't have to forgive them. But hearing them might help.
You did not mean for it to get this way. I'm sorry, Shane, for treating like this. I promise I will not do that again.
I know you did, because I felt something. But it feels weird. And hearing you're sorry,
We need to figure it out what to do. This is serious. Bullying isn't okay. It hurts people. We're going to make sure this doesn't happen again. You need to understand how your actions hurt Shane, and we'll work on making things right. We also do some things at our schools to stop bullying. This is not just about punishment. It's about learning. You need to learn to treat better. We'll help you learn how to get along with others. This is a chance for you to learn and grow.
can I buy J1 fries and one bottle of water?
Here's your order.
Thank you. he crying? Are you crying?
Shane, why are you still so kind to me? Even though I know I've done a lot of bad things to you.
I don't like holding grudges against people, Yuri. And I don't want to think that I have an enemy, especially if we're just inside the house.
I'm going home. Sorry again for what I did.
Yuri, wait!
That's it, Yuri. I told you last time, naayusin mo pag-aaral mo.
Can you give me a break for a while, Dad?
What mess did you make at school again? That is wish me.
Nathan! Pagpahingin mo naman yung anak mo.
What? You're going to condone your son again? That's why he doesn't learn, Elise.
Leave him alone for once. You're a workaholic, and you want everyone around to be like you. You're a perfectionist, aren't you?
Can you please stop? Yes, it's all my fault. Damn it.
Hey, Ayesha, are you okay? Does anything hurts?
Why are Mommy and Daddy always fighting? Is it because of me?
No, Ayesha, don't think like that. Mommy and Daddy loves you. Always remember that.
I heard you're missing requirements from your professor. You really don't know how to listen, Yuri.
Dad, can you please stop? I'm tired of understanding you. Can you give me some freedom?
Diyan ka naman magaling. You're fighting back, ha?
Okay, let's eat.
How's your study, Aliyah?
It's okay, Dad. This week is all review, so I won't be coming home. I'll stay at my condo.
Okay, just make sure you pass your final exam. And you promise me, right, that you'll be the salutatorian of your badge.
Do your best, Aliyah, so that you can brag to his friend.
Of course. Someday, Dad, you will have a lawyer daughter who will defend people that need the justice. I'm here!
Mom, why are you here? You didn't tell us. I prepared more food sana.
No, it's fine, anak. Oh! What are you looking at? Get us water so I'll be happy with you.
Break up with my son, Elise? Why? Is it because you think you're better than everyone else? While I look like nobody?
10 million, just leave my son. I'm sorry, but I'm pregnant with Mrs. Suarez, and he needs to take responsibility for this.
What are you waiting for? Move!
I hate it.
Thanks, Yuri.
How's your study, Yuri? Is there any improvements?
Yes, Yaya. Is there any problem?
Sir, can you please come home? Ayaz has been crying since earlier.
Yuri!
I know it's Shane. What?
He's really beautiful.
Are you going to have lunch? Let's eat together.
No, sorry, but I have to.
Hi, Ayesha. Hey, are you mad at me? Okay, I leave you here. I just buy ice cream. Hey, Ayesha, can you please open the door? Ayesha, please, wake up. Ayesha.
What is your problem again? Why is Ayesha crying?
I'm just teaching your daughter to read so that she can learn something.
Teaching her to read? Or are you forcing her to learn? So that you can do to Ayesha what you did to Yuri and Aliyah?
I just want your daughter to learn. And there's nothing wrong with that, Elise.
What's the result, Doc? Is she okay now?
It's a good thing. She was brought to the hospital immediately, so she was transfused with blood. But she's okay now. Don't worry.
Ma'am, ito.
Yes, anak.
What really happened? I know Ayesha even if she's like that. She can't hurt herself that badly.
I didn't expect her to do that because of us. I thought she was okay with it.
Leave Daddy.
What? I can't do that. Where will we get money for daily expenses?
I can. Just leave Daddy and file for annulment.
Is she okay now? Yes, anak. I know the reason why she hurt herself. Yaya told me what really happened. Are you going to wait until one of your children is gone before he gets what he wants? Is he a good lawyer if he's like that? I don't know, anak. I'll think about it first.
Leave him if it's for the good of your children. I'm about to get my lawyer's license. I think he'll be happy at least.
Sign it!
What's this? Annulment? For what?
Others think I'm a good lawyer, but they don't know that in my own family, I can fulfill my responsibilities to you and our children. the way to make my children's lives better. Yes, I agree to sign the annulment paper.
Have you really talked about your plans?
Yes, and we agree that Nathan will support our children.
Is that true?
Yes, I will support my child with my own money.
Okay, then send the annulment paper.
Thank you. I love you all.
I just walk around, stay there.
Two old friends meet again, wearing older faces, talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know someday they'd meet again and have a need for more than reminiscing? Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now she's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one they had way back when they were too young to know when love is real.